Welcome to our video on the incredible benefits of drinking lemon water every morning. You might be surprised to learn that this simple habit can boost your health in numerous ways. From enhancing digestion to providing a refreshing dose of vitamin C, lemon water is a powerhouse for wellness. Plus, it's incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just squeeze some fresh lemon into a glass of water, and you're on your way to feeling revitalized and energized each day. Lemon water is a fantastic way to enhance your immune system. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, this essential nutrient plays a crucial role in boosting your body's defenses against common illnesses like colds and flu. Regularly sipping lemon water can help keep your immune system strong and resilient. For maximum benefits, use fresh lemons and mix the juice with warm water. Adding a touch of honey or ginger can further amplify its immune-boosting properties, making it both delicious and effective. Drinking lemon water can significantly aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. This natural boost helps break down food more efficiently, reducing the likelihood of indigestion and bloating. Many people find that sipping lemon water before meals can alleviate these uncomfortable symptoms. For optimal digestive health, try drinking a glass of lemon water first thing in the morning or about 30 minutes before meals. This simple habit can set the stage for a smoother digestive process throughout the day. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health and wellness, as it supports vital bodily functions, including circulation and temperature regulation. However, many people struggle to drink enough plain water. This is where lemon water comes in, adding a refreshing twist that makes hydration more enjoyable. The zesty flavor can encourage you to drink more throughout the day. Plus, replacing sugary drinks with lemon water not only helps you stay hydrated, but also reduces calorie intake, promoting a healthier lifestyle overall. Lemon water can be a valuable ally in your weight management journey. Its refreshing taste can help boost metabolism, making it easier for your body to burn calories more efficiently. Additionally, drinking lemon water can curb cravings, reducing the temptation to snack on high-calorie foods. To incorporate lemon water into your weight loss plan, try starting your day with a glass before breakfast or sipping it throughout the day. This simple habit can support your goals while keeping you hydrated and satisfied. Lemon water offers fantastic benefits for your skin, primarily due to its high vitamin C and antioxidant content. These nutrients help combat free radicals, promoting a healthier and more radiant complexion. Additionally, lemon water can reduce acne and blemishes by balancing skin pH and providing hydration. For a glowing appearance, consider drinking lemon water daily and using it as a toner by diluting lemon juice with water and applying it to your skin. This simple routine can enhance your natural beauty. Many people mistakenly believe that lemon water is too acidic for the body, but it actually has an alkalizing effect once digested. Maintaining a balanced pH is crucial for overall health, as it supports various bodily functions and helps prevent disease. An overly acidic environment can lead to inflammation and discomfort. By incorporating lemon water into your daily routine, you can promote a healthier pH balance. Consider adding it to your balanced diet for a refreshing way to support your body's natural harmony. Lemon water is a natural remedy for improving oral health and freshening breath. The antibacterial properties of lemon help combat the bacteria that cause bad breath, making it an effective solution. Additionally, lemon water stimulates saliva production, which is essential for maintaining oral hygiene and neutralizing acids in the mouth. To use lemon water effectively for freshening breath, try sipping it throughout the day or rinsing your mouth with a diluted mixture after meals. This simple habit can leave your mouth feeling clean and refreshed. Lemon water can significantly enhance your mood and energy levels. Thanks to its hydrating properties and high vitamin C content, staying hydrated is essential for maintaining focus and reducing fatigue, while vitamin C helps combat stress and improve overall well-being. The refreshing taste of lemon water acts as a natural pick-me-up, invigorating your senses. To kickstart your day on a positive note, Consider starting each morning with a glass of lemon water. This simple habit can set the tone for a more energized and uplifting day. Here's one surprising mistake people often make when consuming lemon water. Many people add lemon to boiling water, which can destroy the vitamin C and enzymes in the lemon juice. For maximum health benefits, it's better to use lukewarm or room temperature water. If you like adding it to tea, wait for your tea to cool down a little bit and add in the lemon after. In summary, drinking lemon water every morning offers a multitude of benefits, including boosted immunity, improved digestion, enhanced hydration, and better skin health. This simple yet effective habit can also support weight loss and elevate your mood and energy levels. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine is an easy way to promote overall wellness. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from these wellness tips. Cheers to a healthier you.